All right, we might as well just talk about the starting lineup for this weekend, yeah? So, I mean, I already I worry about the team and about the performance, but this is my starting lineup. All right, so David De Gea, aka near post, in goal. The back four might speak for itself because the only new addition is, of course, is Ashley Young. Please leave, Ashley. Please leave. We still have confidence in Wan Basaka, Lindelof, and Maguire down here. Changes I would have making in the midfield. Fred comes in and plays that left central defensive midfield. McTominay still is at the right defensive midfield. And Pogba moving to top in the playing at number 10 position. Basically, that's the best thing for we because Pogba is most creative midfield, and we'll talk about that a little bit later on still. But Dan James on the left, Pereira on the right, wannabe Brazilian, and then Rashford playing up front because Marshall injured. That to me is the best team that we could put forward, playing against a team who won't have the ball as much. I mean, that would be my prediction. Let me know what you think if you feel like someone else should be in the team, but there's no way Lingard should be in the squad, in my opinion. Lingard should not be on the bench, right? Lingard is not a footballer that can hold on to the ball. In this game, we'll have a whole lot of possession, so obviously we need people who can do something with the ball. Lingard is a runner, you know. Lingard come like Warren Bloodclaw, where all Lingard want to do a run, so Lingard should be on the field when we're playing against teams that's going to hold on to the ball a lot more, not necessarily against teams that will concede possession. So Lingard shouldn't be on the bench. Gomez should be on the bench to come on in the second half and try to create something. But let me know what you guys think. I think this is the best team we could put forward. The biggest changes, I think, should be Fred and McTominay in the midfield. Pogba is wasted down there playing against these smaller teams. If we're playing counter-attacking football, then you can put Pogba down there to play in that deep lane midfield position. But now that we're playing against teams, we're going to concede position. We're going to need someone up here creating stuff, and Pogba with his skills and passing range and vision could definitely do something up there. So, again, Pogba playing number 10, Rashford in the number 9 position, and Pereira was an assist this season so far, can come in and do some damage and have a White, you see him both just run up and down. So let me know what you think.